Brandon, how many photos do you usually take per photo shoot?
At least 1,000.
You can only take one picture.
I knew it.
Today I'm inviting my friend and professional photographer Brandon to take pictures with me of a model, but he doesn't know that we're only taking one picture of her, and that's it. Like, you only get one shot and that's the whole photo shoot. How do I break the news of what we're doing?
Stop, is it that bad?
I don't think you're gonna like it. The challenge will be you can only take one picture.
Oh, hell no! I knew it.
Once you press the shutter button, it's done.
Oh my God. Sorry. My brain is trying to process how this is gonna happen because I overshoot a lot.
Brandon, how many photos do you usually take per photo shoot?
At least 1,000, but never like a handful. So I don't know how, I'm scared.
I take like 1,000 per outfit. No, we have problems. Wait, what?
Y'all, I cleared this card today.
You cleared this card for the shoot
Look how
today.
much.
256 gigabytes? Brandon, you're not gonna need this. I'm looking for good light, cool background that's gonna match with this dress. Oh, look, we're at court. Oh my God.
Us for taking too many photos. We're going to court.
Yeah, we're going to prison. See, this is where I would take 700 pictures right here. I don't know, this is hard. Can we change the concept? Can we do 2 pictures?
No.
We can take 2 pictures. Okay, Wawa, can I have you right here, please? This is cool. No, oh my God, okay. It's not you, it's me. It's me. You're amazing, it's me, I have the problems. Maybe do something where your arm is like, kind of like this sort of thing, like that, let me see. This is so hard. Oh God. Should I switch my lens? Brandon's not answering me, God damn it. I need validation. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna switch to my 24-70 and then I'm gonna do wide angle and then I'm gonna do like a lower perspective. Okay. So I'm switching to my 24-70 because not sold on the 50 and I can't take a risk right now like that. What about 1.5 pictures, Brandon? 1.5?
What is a half?
You take 1 JPEG, 1 RAW. All right, wow. And also, if you happen to blink during Brandon's picture, I won't be mad. If you blink on accident.
No, the game is on, huh?
Oh my God, I'm so nervous about this. Just waiting for the cars. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh no, it's totally overexposed. Okay, no. Hold on, wait. Hold on, wait, do that. I gotta just fix the settings. I have to get the settings right. I definitely had a strategy going in, and I think the strategy did not work at all, and I want a redo. We get 1 grace photo. We get 1 grace period picture. 2, 3. Okay, that one's a little dark. Okay, stay right there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's good. We did it.
Okay.
We did it. We got it on the 3rd one, which I don't think it's it's not that big of a deal. Still, we're in the single digits, so I feel like that's okay.
Jess is cheating. I repeat, Jess is cheating. I think she sort of realized that hers was not a fail. I don't want to say a fail, but she did take 3 photos, and I feel like that means something. I feel like she didn't like the first one.
Okay, Brandon, it's your turn.
Okay. Okay, my strategy for this challenge, I don't have one. don't even know, I feel like I don't even know how to take a photo right now. Let's come over here. If the model's like blinking, that's gonna be a problem, I just realized. Don't blink. I think Jess is wishing that she shot her photo here. She's looking pretty suspicious right now. I kind of want to get like all of these different like lights behind her happening. So I feel like when I'm on a shoot, the more photos I take, the more secure in just the shoot and how well it's going. I feel like if I have more photos, that just makes me feel better. Normally, I would probably just take the photo and then do this as well, but I only have 1 shot, so. Okay, I kind of like this better. Because I'm shooting mirrorless, I can see what I'm shooting. I wanna make sure you're in focus. That's like my priority here. Do I wanna get oh, this looks really cool, actually. Okay. Jess is real quiet right now. Okay, this is sick. I think I'm gonna go for it. Oh my God, I'm scared. 1, 2. Okay, I took it. I'm done. Ooh. Yeah, you can see.
Did you see his picture? Yeah, we all saw the picture.
Do you like?
Can I redo mine, please?
Brandon is very impressive. He literally took that in 1 shot. He knew where he wanted to go. He knew he loves the garages and overhead lighting. Listen, we can't let Brandon win, okay? He got the first shot. It was beautiful. It looks like a campaign. I gotta step my game up right now. I gotta take this seriously. And I am taking 3 pictures again. Look at this. It's like we're back in France. This is France right here. This is what we want. Yeah, this is it. This is good. Could you be sitting? Can we have one of you sitting maybe? Let's see, since it's only 1 shot. Yes, okay, here we go. We're in Paris, France right now. Now we're getting, we're working it. It's working out right now. Oh, this is gonna be tough. Okay. Let's see, so I wanna do more like this. And then bring your arm up a little, this one, and have it like softer. Yeah, right there. Oh my God, okay, one picture. Lift your chin up a little. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's all we need. That's it.
Okay, girl.
Good job.
Her settings were better, the location was better, and she kind of came through. I feel like she kind of took that second round right from under me.
That took me what, like 3 minutes? Not even. Compared to the first round, I just want to forget about it and never speak of it again. It was a disaster.
I wanted to shoot here and then it went away. I don't know how long it's gonna stay. This light like magically appeared, but I don't know how long it's gonna stay. Oh my God, that's stunning. Oh, this is somewhere where I want to take more than just one because it's like literally perfect. No, it's leaving. It's leaving. When I walked up to the location I was shooting in for my second photo, it looked awesome, and then the light literally disappeared right before my eyes. The light's gone. What do I do? Oh, I wish I just took the photo because it was perfect. Come back, I see you. Is that it coming back? Okay, it's coming back in just a second. In just a second. Just waiting for the sun. I don't know what to do. If it would just appear for like a second. No, it's not coming. She loves that. This isn't good.
He was so, I've never seen Brandon more excited than when he saw this light shining through. It's as if like the heavens had opened and he had this beam of light and there were birds chirping. Snow White woke up and she's like, let's go make a pie. And then as soon as he went to take the photo, clouds parted ways onto the sun. And now it's raining.
There it is, there it is. It's coming. It's back, okay. Oh, it's still not like bright though. I don't know what to do. Okay, I think I have to switch it up because the sun's just not gonna come out, I don't think. 1, 2. Okay, I took it. Okay, yeah, I did it.
I feel like we are tied now that Brandon had atrocious lighting.
The sun decided to show up right when we left the location, so this round is not looking good for me. I don't know, I'm not as confident.
Brandon, if you would like to take a second or third picture, I think it's only fair.
Maybe we're not gonna use it, but I'll take it.
No, we will use it.
Oh, okay. Wait, let's go right here.
I told Brandon that it would be okay if he took another photo because first of all, I cheated in the first round.
Yeah, I love that. Jessica let me take another photo when the light came back. I won't say we have to use it. I don't even know if it's good, to be honest. I just took a few, but I appreciate her being nice because I was not as nice to her as she was to me. Sweet. Okay, that was good. I got the light that I wanted.
I feel like by now we're tied.
I agree. I think we're tied. I think I took the first round, you took the second round. There's
Yes.
only 1 round to go.
1 round left.
Who is it gonna be? But I can also... I feel like the first round I was so confident, and then I was like, you know, we're gonna roll into the second round easy. And then, you know, I flopped like you did in the first round, so.
This is gonna be really hard because I'm using a flash. I exited my flop era and
I
you're
entered it.
I mean, if you want me to enter the flop era again, I could use the flash. And just,
I would love for you.
the highlights are blown out. I know you want me to be Magikarp right now and flop everywhere, but I can't do it. I can't. Hey, why are you moving? It was good before. You're trying to sabotage. Oh my God, he's trying to sabotage me. At one point, Brandon kind of shifted the light in a different way, and I'm like, wait, that's not how I had it. I'm not here to accuse. I'm gonna take Brandon to court downstairs, and we'll see what the.
Who's trying to sabotage who now?
Just delete that footage, Christina. Shooting inside, I will need to at least do 1 test shot.
You can't.
If you won't let me, I'll use the live view. Mirrorless without the price tag and all the technicalities and capabilities. Yeah, let's see different pose. Yeah, like right there. Yes, I love the arm like this. Hold on one second, I just gotta do the live view because Brandon won't let me take a test shot. 2, 3. Okay, wait, can I?
Hey.
I gotta fix the settings.
Oh, now you're taking like 5.
It's not for the It's not for the video. She flew from Paris. I have to get her these shots. I will use the first picture. I promise you that.
Do you trust her?
Yes. Brandon's lawyer is gonna contact me. I'm passing the microphone to Brandon, who will be exiting the flop era doors. He's leaving the building, the flop building.
I think I'm gonna put this, I don't want like that much shot of there. I like how we're just in my bedroom. The way I want to just copy Jess right now. I really would like to do that. That's really good. Yeah, hold that for a sec. Can we try something maybe like more towards like camera? Yeah.
Brandon killed it on this wall with the one gel light. That's like he can work with really very little and he makes it look amazing.
I love that a lot. If you can hold that, I'm gonna shoot this. 1, 2. I took it. We're done. So I just finished taking my last round of photos. I feel like this one was nice because I was really able to control the light. Second one, not so much. I feel like they look like they're kind of in the same category, so I feel like it's kind of up in the air for who took this last round.
Let us know which round was your favorite, which picture was the best out of all of them.
Weren't you the one that made the challenge?
But I did it because of Eminem. I did it because of the song. You only get one shot.
I actually forget, I don't
Mom, spaghetti.
know.
You only get one shot.
I know, wait, I can't think of the
What's the
lyrics.
song? You only get one shot. What's the rest of the song? You only get one shot.
We need this music on the background when we're singing this.